Alright, let's start this off with a Cold Steel SK5 unboxing. This is my $25 Smith & Wesson everyday carry. I've had it for about 5 years now. There we go. Off the bat, I can feel it has some decent weight to it. For I really wanted a under $50 fixed blade knife to put with my other bag. No bells and whistles. Alright. Pretty much like all the other videos I've seen. Nice. Pretty lubed up. That fits good in the hand. Oh, a lot bigger than I thought. Heard about the tip snapping off, but I also don't plan on jabbing it in frozen logs. At least anytime soon. Alright, well, there you go. I think out the door it cost me $42 and change on Amazon. Well worth it. Alright.